Remote desktop is not a good experience right now. If you've used a remote desktop, you know this. You don't look forward to using it, and we don't think it has to be that way.
That's a good one. Hey, I'm Benji.
I'm Chris.
And we're the co-founders of Phaze.
Phaze is a high-performance remote desktop for accessing workstations and also giving you fine-grained control over a fleet of devices.
Turns out millions of people use remote desktop products every day, and they suffer through that experience. And we think that we can really create something that is as close to feeling like magic as possible.
That, in turn, opens up a lot of possibilities for organizations to take a lot of things they're doing locally to doing fully remotely.
If you look at how remote desktop is used today, it's primarily used in highly regulated industries. Healthcare and finance are enormous users of traditional remote desktop applications. And when you talk to people about that experience, they routinely tell you how terrible it is. Like, they don't want to be using a remote desktop application.
We want to make a remote desktop tool that is a pleasure to use, right? You aren't reminded constantly that there are annoyances or that there's lag or that you're using a remote device. The status quo is just not there right now, and we think we can get it there.
If you bring world-class user experience and make it feel as local as possible, with high resolutions, high frame rates, all of a sudden people are gonna say, this is great, and I have the freedom to use any device from anywhere to access the most powerful compute available. And the IT organization gets to say that we've centralized data, it's highly secure, we have zero trust clients. That expands the market because now any type of person can use it, in any profession. If you're working on product design for a car or for an airplane, or you are making a movie or an animation or a video game, you can now use a small device and be able to control one of the most powerful computers on earth.
We've been working on this for 10 years. We've learned a lot about what the customers need, and we think we're in a great position to make this product the perfect solution.